Introducing the 14th math heuristic, the elimination method. One fish burger and one chicken burger cost $7.50. 2 fish burgers and 3 chicken burgers cost $19. How much does a fish burger cost? To find the cost of a fish burger, we have to get rid of the chicken burgers. To get rid of the chicken burgers, we have to make the number of chicken burgers the same. One fish burger and one chicken burger cost $7.50. To obtain 3 chicken burgers, we have to multiply the entire equation by 3. 3 fish burgers and 3 chicken burgers cost $22.50. 2 fish burgers and 3 chicken burgers cost $19. 3 fish burgers minus 2 fish burgers equals 1 fish burger. 3 chicken burgers minus 3 chicken burgers equals 0. We have now eliminated the chicken burgers. $22.50 minus $19 equals $3.50. A fish burger costs $3.50. Two donuts and 3 egg tarts cost $11.10. 3 donuts and 4 egg tarts cost $15.40. How much does a donut cost? To find the cost of a donut, we have to get rid of the egg tarts. To get rid of the egg tarts, we have to make the number of egg tarts the same. How to make the number of egg tarts the same? Well, we take the common multiple of 3 and 4. That is 12. 3 times 4 equals 12. Two donuts and 3 egg tarts cost $11.10. To obtain 12 egg tarts, we have to multiply the entire equation by 4. 8 donuts and 12 egg tarts cost $44.40. In the second equation, we have to obtain 12 egg tarts as well. 3 donuts and 4 egg tarts cost $15.40. To obtain 12 egg tarts, we have to multiply the entire equation by 3. 9 donuts and 12 egg tarts cost $46.20. Look at these two equations. Now that the number of egg tarts are the same in both equations, the difference in cost is attributable to the difference in the number of donuts. 9 donuts minus 8 donuts equals 1 donut. $46.20 minus $44.40 equals $1.80. A donut costs $1.80. Thank you very much for watching our video. If you find this video useful, please help to like and share it. Do subscribe to our channel if you have not done so.